In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to handle affiliate disputes and duplicate referrals. If you're dealing with these common issues, you're not alone. Stick around because I'm going to break it all down and give you the tools you need to tackle these situations efficiently. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what to do next and how to avoid these headaches in the future. First things first, let's talk about affiliate disputes. These usually happen when two affiliates claim credit for the same sale, or there's a misunderstanding about which affiliate was responsible for a lead. The key here is documentation. Always keep track of your affiliate transactions, the timestamps, and the source of each lead. When you get into a dispute, having clear records to back up your claims is your best defense. Now, if you're working with an affiliate network, most platforms provide a tracking system that shows which affiliate was credited for a referral. Make sure you're familiar with how this works within your network and how to dispute any discrepancies directly through the platform support system. It's critical to communicate clearly and professionally when dealing with disputes. Present your evidence calmly and stick to the facts. Duplicate referrals can be a nightmare because they mess with your affiliate commissions and can lead to confusion. To handle duplicate referrals, start by checking if the issue is due to a tracking error or if the same customer has made multiple purchases under different referral links. If it's the latter, most networks will have guidelines for how to handle this. What you want to avoid is having too many duplicate links sent to the same customer. Some affiliates will use multiple links to try and double dip on the same customer. The way to avoid this is by educating your affiliates about proper link sharing practices. Encourage them to use unique links for each promotion and make sure they're not cross-posting or reusing old links that could cause duplicates. One thing you can do proactively is set up alerts within your affiliate system. Many platforms allow you to set thresholds for multiple signups or purchases from the same IP address or email, which can help catch duplicate referrals before they become a bigger problem. If you do spot a duplicate referral, reach out to your affiliate network or the platform you're using. Usually they'll have a process for handling it, whether it's crediting the sale to the first affiliate or resolving the issue in another way. The goal is always to maintain fairness for everyone involved. In terms of software to help you manage affiliate disputes and duplicate referrals, I've tested a lot of popular options out there. The one that I'm recommending today, which you can try for free by following the link in the description, will make managing these issues a lot easier. It tracks leads, organizes affiliate data, and helps you spot duplicate referrals in a few clicks. It's the best tool I've found to streamline these tasks. A quick recap on the main points. To handle affiliate disputes, keep accurate documentation and use your affiliate platform's tracking system. For duplicate referrals, educate your affiliates on proper link sharing practices and set up alerts in your system to catch issues early. And always remember to reach out to your affiliate network for resolution when needed. Before I wrap up, make sure you take advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software I mentioned earlier. It's available only to my viewers, and it'll make handling affiliate disputes and duplicate referrals a breeze. Key takeaway: the best way to handle affiliate disputes and duplicate referrals is to be organized, proactive, and always communicate clearly with your affiliate network. Keep track of your data and handle issues as soon as they arise to maintain fairness and smooth operations. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the free trial in the description below, and I'll see you in the next video.